I'm talking about this entire week. Was in and
Oh,
back and forth in the hospital. Uh, wasn't streaming. Went tilt on like multiple freaking accounts on funded accounts. Did some things that didn't
yeah.
even make sense. Even though I know that there's a consistency rule, I'm just gonna take this opportunity just to refresh, come back stronger next week because yeah. You selling that gold long? I mean, you should be.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. Well, I'm targeting. I'm probably gonna hold this thing all day. I'm targeting like 50, 60. That's what I'm targeting. So I'm holding this shit all day. So I already know that I'm gonna probably gold is gonna grab me by the hands and take me for a ride.
I mean, hey, that's what she does. Like, pumped up all day, literally all day yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Fine.
Damn, damn, gold, damn.
Yeah, I know, right?
Order filled.
Oh shit, I got my okay. Got my scaled in field apparently. Okay, so it
Oh
came
yeah,
down.
isn't today? It's OPEX, right?
Mm-hmm.
OPEX, OPEX, OPEX.
I mean, if it comes back down, oh
Yeah.
my god, no way, not the break even gold. Oh,
No, not my break even. You can't have it.
gold, come on.
um, yeah, it's not that they probably they could have closed out. It's only I only see three big orders on and they expire for on the 22nd, 24th, and the 29th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now the 31st. We got 397 call, 400 call, 395, 420 call, 420 on the 31st. And that's a sweep. So they put that on multiple exchanges
Mm-hmm.
to get that filled.
Oh shit, you learning? Oh, you went through the education tab?
No, I watch their videos.
Ah, gold. What the actual fuck? Gold, come on. God damn.
Yeah, I mean, I was saying before you hopped on that we could probably see like 280. All right, now the calls and now the calls are coming in. 388 call, 386, 400, 390. Now the flow is coming in.
Yo, don't do me like that. If I knew it was gonna come all the way back down to my break even, I would have took the damn profits. God damn, bro. God damn, gold shit. God, God damn.
Oh shoot!
Uh, dude, I was literally up.
What's up?
Oh, go ahead. Well, it's gonna
I
come
was gonna
stop
say
me
what's
out.
up, Cave Trader.
And this shit about to come and stop me out, bro. That's fucking crazy, man. That is absolute craziness.
Order filled.
It fell
Fuck!
off.
Ah! Fuck! Oh my! Ah! Fuck!
Woo! Gold. Sheesh. That was crazy. Hey yo. Dang. Dang. She's nasty. Gold is vicious. He's a monster. Woo. All right, where we at on the okay. It's flushing those gamma levels.
Wow, bro. Wow. Wow.
380 puts. Yo, what y'all doing? 380 puts.
Well, wow. Wow.
Hmm. They know something we don't know. Eesh. Oof. Okay. We might have to if we
Order
don't get
filled.
that pump back up, we're gonna have to reconsider. That's crazy. I mean,
Order
that
filled.
makes sense. This is like our first real pullback in what, like weeks.
Hold on, what the hell just happened? All right, man, I gotta do it, man. Okay. I just locked myself out. Oh my god, no. 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 Okay, this X platform is pissing me off. It is pissing me off, bro. That is crazy, man. That's crazy. All right, man. I gotta
Yeah.
make these settings, man, because all right. Because you put a daily profit, it hits the target, and if it pulls back, it closes it. Like, so I'm supposed to have $639 in this account, and right now I only have 590. Yo, that's a whole $40. Oh. Mm.
they trying to load the puts. 380 380 puts. That's kind of crazy from where we're sitting at.
I mean, I guess it makes sense because that's like the biggest gamma level. You see it, right?
380. Shoot, I didn't even go down that low.
Yeah, it's like right there. And it's OPEX too. You said it's kind of crazy. Yeah, like the biggest gamma levels. It's 380. There's an order block at 87.
Switch views because it's not showing. There we go. Now it's showing it. I had to go to your custom view to see.
Custom view?
Yeah, you got a custom layout saved.
Do I? Oh,
Yeah, you do.
man, I've okay, so over the weekend, I'm gonna definitely have to look at this. I'm gonna get me 2 more accounts on Tradeify. I spent about $500 with them. I was gambling with 2, and I just blew both of them. And I didn't even have to. I was trying to hold it just to pass the account. I was up about 2,700, and this shit drops. But even though I was up 27, actually, I probably was up. I probably passed the account. I mean, low key, I passed it if I didn't hit daily loss limit yesterday. But I was trying to get daily loss limit. I had to get my daily loss limit back. So I was in perfectly at 30. Hold on, where did I say you? I was in around like that. I bought the pullback trade. So I bought this. So basically I was in around 302. I was up 30 points, bro. God damn. On 8 contracts. Let me see how much money I would have if I took the profits. 30 points times 8. Yeah, I was up 24. Or then hold on, what was this thing telling me? Damn.
5. The options dollar flow in here. Where's the money at?
Oh, no, are you streaming? Or did you able to figure it out last night?
Yeah, we got it together so far.
Okay.
I didn't do anything different, so I don't know what the heck was going on except update my computer.
Yeah, I told you. Yo, Microsoft is getting very intrusive. Like it's to like that's why a lot of people are going to well, a lot of the computer heads are going to Linux because uh like I explained to Smith, but I don't think I talked about it on the stream. Uh maybe I did, I don't know. But Windows, because of this AI, because they invested so much money in AI, they need data to train their models, and that data has to come from somewhere. So, South Korea has this technology where it's always taking screenshots of its citizens, like phones and computers and stuff like that. And Microsoft is now doing exactly the same thing, allegedly. But we don't need the allegedly part, but allegedly. And because they need the data, they need it to train their
Yeah.
models. So, uh, a lot of your privacy is gone. If you save anything on their platform, it's our data now. It's ours. It's our data now. So hey, they're gonna force you to update it. So these little these updates to their system, and you'll have no choice but to share your
Yeah.
data with them.
In their update release, they probably put like the little terms and conditions in the super fine print, and
Mm,
yeah, we're collecting all your data,
they're
we're
gonna
taking
force
screenshots, we're watching you basically.
you. Yeah.
But you're not gonna read this, so just sign here.
This
just accept. Just accept.
yeah.
Accept the terms and conditions.
It's like well shit. So, I mean they're in everything unless oh, I mean shit they're so big of a monopoly. Uh I mean, well, technically they're not a monopoly, but they are because majority of people are going to use Microsoft products because it's been in the industry for so long. It's too big to be replaced. Uh, Linux offers the exact same tool for free, but people are not going to take the time to learn Linux or anything like that. So even there's a version of Linux that operates exactly with the GUI, just like Windows, and people will still go to Windows. So Microsoft knows this, and
Oh,
that's
really?
why they're doing it.
Yeah, I didn't. I mean, because Linux is more. Is it still more like you got to know what the heck you're doing, or is it more
Yeah, a
information
lot of it.
about?
So I mean, if we're gonna talk about, so basically Linux is his origins. It's basically everything is done in the command line and in the imagination of the operator. So you didn't have a graphical user interface. All the commands were run, and you just had to know what it was doing, and it would print out the results. I mean, it was just a lot of reading. Uh, but over time, as you would do stuff, you would have a graphic that displayed what was happening, and obviously it's evolved to what it is now to where we're seeing everything with the graphics and you're not seeing what's going on behind the scenes. Versions of Linux like that, or all versions of Linux are like that. You can do everything in the command line, but it does take a certain expertise to know exactly what you're doing. The normal user does not even know the command line exists. They see a simple command line on their favorite TV or soap, and they're like, "Oh my god, that's hacking." No, all the person is doing is running commands. So I mean, without a graphical user interface. So that's all that is. Um,
Yeah.
and there's different flavors and varieties of Linux. So I mean, it's not hard, but well, it's not hard, but if you're not a computer enthusiast or if you're not in the field, then it really, yeah, yeah. And Microsoft knows this. They know that majority of their users are going to be too lazy to switch over to something else because they don't care about their privacy. And yeah.
Yeah. Nah, yeah.
Oh, was someone throwing hate your way, Smith?
I mean, I don't even know what to call it. I just thought it was funny and I was thinking about that. And after seeing like so many different traders and a bunch of different traders out there, different styles, it's whatever, right? You trade how you want to trade as long as you're making your profit. Who cares?
Mm.
But they just had something to say about cleaning up the charts and something else. I don't know.
Oh yeah, the
I was like, oh,
chartist, the chart elitist.
the, the chart elitist. That's a good way to put it. Yeah, the chart elitist.
When
Yeah,
your
and
charts, man.
I just thought it was funny because I'm like, to me, this is clean. my trade of eight chart.
Mm.
I'm like, I've sent you. You see screenshots of my trading view chart.
Mm.
That mess is all over the place.
Yeah.
That'd probably drive him insane. But I'm like, it works for me. That insanity works for me.
Good thing I lost. I mean,
So
lost. Good thing I locked my other accounts out. Dang. Maybe should I buy another account? Should I buy another account?
video or breakout upside. Yeah, NQ tech. The equity's probably gonna go crazy today. I can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Fuck the fact that and then this is something that Smith does constantly. It's like your third time doing this thing in the last couple of months, where you turn a $500 account into what, 5 figures?
Well, I just hit 10K yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
At the close of the market, pretty much.
Yeah.
Well, maybe midday, and then yeah, and then here we are. And I hopped in, yesterday's session. I was in that short for hours, but I wish I would have held it. See, that's the reason I didn't hold it. If I had the experience on gold as I have with NQ, I probably would have held that thing
Hmm.
all the way. But since I don't have the experience like that, I was like, I'm up. Let me just close this, take my money.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, if I did the same thing, I would have been up. Yeah, gold is not my mainstay. I don't. I only trade Nasdaq for this. Oh shit, I forgot. My bad, guys. My bad. I forgot. I don't. I guess y'all guys see me slowly but surely drifting away to gold. Nasdaq just doesn't do it for me no more. I just don't want to tolerate the bullshit, man. I don't want. I don't want the bullshit no more.
Yeah,
Um, one,
that's a 50%.
two,
Oh, we gotta draw
one,
this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nah, I felt. I mean, shit. I mean, I was. Hold on. Let me show you the entry that I was in. I thought, like, man, like, come on, gold. Shit. Just do the things I want you to do. Damn it. Man. So this was an entry that I was in. Perfect entry. I'm thinking that, man, there's no way gold is going to come back and stop me out. There's no freaking way. Had a perfect entry, waited for the pullback, didn't get faked out by the short. And then gold does that bullshit, comes back and stops me out. I'm like, what the hell? Like, what? Like, uh, why gold? Why? Why?
Got a 397 call expiring on the 29th.
Mm.
$735,000 they spent. 397, huh? Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get 2 more accounts. I probably might get another account on. No, I'll just keep this account. I'll just get this account because I do got one account rebuilding. I know Tradeify made so much money on their 50Ks, $87 for a 50K on the X platform. Yeah, I know they made some money on that. That shit. I know I bought me some. All right, so I'm definitely going to buy this pullback on gold. That is for sure. I'm definitely buying the pullback on gold if we get the pullback because that sweep of liquidity right there, that just shows me that this could potentially be the bottom or we're about to go up, but it might have to pull back first. So I'm definitely going to go and get in long here at around. But this is definitely lock-in season for me, man. When I go into the gold forums and seeing those guys up like 10, 20, 30K without none of the craziness, it just kind of goes to show that if you're patient with gold, you can make a lot of money. There's this dude had 3 minis on and he locked in at least 50K based on his screenshot with gold. And these guys are consistently going for big targets, making 20, 30K on gold. And that's where I need to be at. So I'm gonna start locking in with gold, like for real, for real.
Yeah.
Just imagine making 20K a day.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And shit, what would you do if when your target for 20K hits the first time? What would you do?
Well, you got to lock in that screenshot. You know, that's
Of
very
course,
important.
of course, of course. I would judge you if you didn't do that.
But you should probably lock in the screenshot after you take the profit.
No.
Bro, in options, I hated that in options. I would screenshot it like, yeah, I'm up. And then the next thing you know, that mess drop. That's why I don't trade options anymore. F options.
Yeah, I'm done with options too, man. I'm just it just doesn't work for me. I like big targets. I don't like being punished for being the way I am. I am what I am, damn it.
Yeah, I guess they said they can't hear me on your stream.
They can't. Oh yeah, okay, my
Yeah.
bad. Okay, let me save the sound settings real quick. I don't know. All right. All right, that tells. All right. All right.
Yeah. That's funny. Yeah, but you gotta lock in your screenshot though, for sure. He said I would judge you if you did.
You got to get judged.
You gotta lock it in. You gotta if you no screenshotter, it didn't happen, right?
Yeah. It's like, man, get your lying ass out of here. You ain't made 20K. Where the screenshot at? Where the screenshot? We don't believe that shit. Then we have to call in an expert screenshot analyst to make sure that it wasn't fabricated.
Yeah. Like, man, you chat GPT that. Like, no. Like, let me check the charts. Let me check your entries. Okay, this may be true.
I bet you can't do it again though. Where the follow-up screenshots?
Yeah.
Where the follow-ups?
I bet you can't do it again. That's cold. Yeah, I see Alfred. I see NQ. I'm a little mad that gold ain't really getting that love to the upside right now, but
Ooh,
I see it. I'm watching it.
I got another. I was about to say, I was like, I know I blew that account. I was like, where did that account come from? All right. I went till, dude, I blew all my Apex accounts, my Tradeify accounts. That's why I'm on the Top Step X platform. A lot of them shit
But
pissed
I
me
should
off.
have I should have hedged this position. I should have hedged with the NQ like I did the other day, remember?
What's that?
But I don't like trading, especially NQ, 'cause she get crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to trade both of these crazy instruments at the same time.
Gold's not crazy. She's just ruthless. She means what she says. She said Gold is that girl that says I said what I said. I said what I said. That's who Gold is. I said what I
Yeah.
said. Like Monet Tejada on Power. That's who Gold is. I said what I said, and I mean that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could see that drop in gold. I could get filled here potentially.
Yeah, I'm looking at we on the smaller time frames, of course, we're trending down.
I could get stopped out of this. This thing could be trying to come back down to 70. Mm, I mean, does 7? Mm, mm,
Yeah,
mm.
the puts are coming in 320. What's wrong with y'all? 320?
On gold?
That's got to be a hedge. Yeah, I think that's a hedge.
Is it a block? Hold on.
It's
Yeah,
a
yeah. It's a.
sweep.
Hold on. How far out you are?
I'm out to the end of the month, so
Oh yeah. Well,
yeah.
okay. Yeah, I only got it until Monday because well, I guess that does make sense. I guess let me look at it. It wouldn't hurt to look.
I think that's they hedging some. Well, they bought it at the ask. They spent
Ooh.
13 and 14K.
It's expiring on the 24th. Yikes. That's next
Yeah.
Friday. Hold on. When is FOMC? FOMC is on the 19th. I think that's probably why.
Uh, is it on the 19th?
I
Or
just threw
no,
a
it's a
number out.
Sunday.
12 days.
Uh,
Fed watch tool. I think it's on the. Yeah, I think it is.
19th is a Sunday.
Okay. Well, I was wrong about that then.
Okay.
Oh, the 29th. 29th. Thanks, Alfred.
29th. And they got that expiring 24th. Okay, that might be accurate then. 320 is crazy though.
Yeah.
The,
I
the
mean,
puts the puts are
we had a big move up. So, I mean,
yeah.
and a
Like I
lot
was
of
saying,
bears
it's
got
like
hurt in that move up. A lot of bears got hurt. A lot of
yeah, it's their
bears.
first real pullback
Mm-hmm.
in a long time.
All right. I think
long,
I'm
long
in.
time.
I got stopped out. Yeah. Okay. Got stopped out.
Ugh.
Kind of figured that.
Let's see. We break the low. We break this low here, then I'll close it out.
Oh, you on the Nasdaq or you on gold?
I'm on gold still.
Order filled.
All right, your boy's in that gold play. Let's see.
Yeah, the
Let's
puts are
see.
rolling in. Ugh. $395.
Mm,
The puts are rolling in. Dang.
yeah, I see them. All right. Mm.
3. Price at 392. That's why I got the money.
Order filled.
250. I see 270 on here. Now, if they try to go for 250, that's just crazy. Right. Gold.
Man, gold is
Doing
just
here.
super selling off.
But then it's like,
Order
oh,
filled.
okay, Gold. You've made your point, Gold. uh,
God damn, gold.
she's a monster.
Hey, calm down, girl. Shit. You can bounce.
But no, 30
No,
minute.
I'm not bouncing. And see, this is the type of shit right here is what I'm talking about with gold. Do your thing, gold. Do your thing. Oh, don't do that thing. Don't do that thing. Don't do that thing. I was like, dude, what the hell?
I'll try to clear out 250. 50. Yeesh. She's nasty. I do see
Order
some safe
filled.
haven down here, but that bounce back would just have to be ridiculous.
Yeah. Mm.
I don't know. I don't necessarily know
Order
if we get
filled.
that today.
Bro,
We
okay.
could, but
Okay. All
ugh.
right. All right, man. All right. All right, man. All right. All right. All right.
Yeesh.
All right, gold. Like this is kind of
35. Okay. Okay. All right. 235, huh?
And gold. Like, God damn, bitch. God damn.
He's a monster. You're a monster.
I've been
Yeah,
so
that's
caught up in
true.
gold. I haven't seen the remarks. Can't wait. My bad. What the hell, dude?
My charts are too dirty.
That was probably Gainway's alt
Yeesh.
account.
Not the alt account.
Muscle shark or some shit like that. Bully shark. Gainway's alt account.
Muscle shark.
Muscle shark or bully shark or whatever. Yo, all right, man. All right, Gold. Do your thing. Do your thing, Gold. Do your thing.
Mm-mm. All right, let's mark this out. 330. $30. Yeah, I should have known when they were loading their puts. Loading all these puts. Of course, the big money knows something.
I guess I'm just gonna wait until Gold gets a 387, 385, because that's where they got a lot of their orders sitting anyway. God damn, man.
Yep.
Oh no, you already closed out, right?
Heck no.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm waiting to see something.
What are you waiting
I'm
for?
waiting to
You don't
see
want to tell
something.
her?
Nah, she can't know about it. She can't know just yet.
Hold on, did hold on, did hold on. Hold on, did
It's 7.
hold on, did the Nasdaq didn't fill my limit? Okay, I'm done with the Nasdaq. I'm done. I'm done. I'm completely done. I'm done. I'm done.
No, sure.
I'm done.
No.
That is crazy, yo. She wicked my order, didn't fill the. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Hmm. Hmm. She wicked my order, didn't fill it. Okay. Oh man.
Where you had an order to what, to go long
Yeah, at
or short?
775. You see where it wicked it didn't fill it?
Yeah. I was just looking at that.
How does that is like, dude, how does that even happen? That's crazy. How does that happen?
Volatility, Sherm, the volatility. Skipped your order in the line.
You said
All
maybe next
right,
time, big
let's
guy.
see.
And maybe next time. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. 37-point candle in 5 minutes. We got a 17-point candle. call for 10:20. What's the 20th? That's Monday. Yeah. Monday. 398 call. 10:24.
Maybe next time, big guy. All right. Thanks, Gold, for hurting my feelings. Not Gold, Nasdaq. Wow, look at that. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay. All right. I came over to Nasdaq's house and said, "Baby, let me in." I had a radio over my head and shit.
I'm sorry.
Damn, Gold. I
Dang,
mean, Nasdaq.
that's crazy. That would have been that was a nice entry too. Or would have been. Dang. Dang, that could be their next objective if they don't push it here. 260.
Oh, my bad. Tony says Gold got him outside cleaning windows.
Look at the equities go. Look at the equities go. NQ. No. No. NQ.
Damn, Nasdaq, it was like that for real? God.
NQ, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have left you.
No, Smith, you did the right thing. You did the right thing.
No, I didn't. No, apparently not. Huh?
It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without a dope beat to step to. Dust yourself. Go says, "Hey man, just dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again."
This is wild. What them puts at? They knew it too. They knew it and they threw him in there. Okay. Okay. I understand it now. I wasn't familiar with your game. Ooh. Weak low? Is it a weak low? Shoot. Don't look weak to me. Yeesh, how big?
I'm looking at
That's
what
a
you're looking at on Twitter,
55
dude. You talking
wick.
about a week low. I just put on
You
Twitter
see
and
that?
just saw that.
Weak low. That don't look weak to me. Jeez.
All right, I want to take a screenshot of this because when y'all guys tell me how bad the Nasdaq is, I'm just going to use this as evidence one, right there. Look at what she
Evidence
did.
one.
Like, dude, that is crazy. I didn't deserve that right there. I didn't deserve this.
Oh shoot. I'm sorry. Nasdaq, I'm sorry. I wasn't familiar with your game. Ugh. I mean, but that's crazy. Block order 394. Damn, these dudes really took it down to 388. They took it down
This
to
ain't the
their
Nasdaq.
objective.
You always gotta think of Mohei. What is it? Monet Tejada. I said what I said. We going to 380. I said what I said. I said what I said. We going to 380. Either you can be on the ride with us, or you can help us fuel the market down.
I wish I
But
was on the ride with them.
but we could be coming to a balance area, because if you look to your left, you see that breakout happen around about 87. So they'll probably run into 87 a little bit. We'll probably see a bounce here in a few, probably like 420, 4 or 220, 215-ish. But I'm gonna have to probably wait for a pullback or something.
30 minutes. Well, I see a lot of demand down here, so to speak. So I'm hoping. Now gold, look at it. See the keyword gold got me hoping. There's no hope in gold.
You
But
know, I was thinking about
I
this morning.
want.
Oh, my bad. Finish your thought.
I was just gonna say I want to see them buy from here because I see the demand, but sheesh.
Yeah,
What you
gold will
about to
turn an
say?
atheist believing in God. You'll know that God exists after you get done trading gold. You want to know why?
Stupid. Why is that?
Because gold will make you start to believe in the devil, and if the devil is real, then God has to be real afterwards. Gold will have an atheist believing in God, because there is no such ruthlessness other than gold. Actually, all the metals are just as ruthless like this. They're just all ruthless. They're like demons.
Yeah.
Tony said exactly. This gold is the devil incarnated into this material world. It's like, well, shit. If the devil exists, there has to be a God. Yo, hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Stupid.
You say you've been evil for years? Yeah. See, I mean, I knew the bounce was coming.
Okay. Just so many points, though. My goodness. Believe it or not, I've been in worse positions than this.
On
So,
phase two.
yeah. And through my pain, like I said, I was saying this last night, my pain in Nasdaq has prepared me for other
Since I trade the
for other
Nasdaq,
things. The pain that I felt and experienced. Okay. Take this one off.
I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. You play in the darkness. I was born in it.
I was born in it. You simply adopted the darkness. I was born in it. You merely adopted the darkness. I was born in it.
Mm.
Meanwhile, while NQ sits here and runs like 500 points. Sorry, NQ. I shouldn't have left you.
Mm-hmm.
I should have never left you, NQ.
Well, I guess if Smith had this entry, she probably would have filled him. Bitch. I can't believe Gold
Yeah.
did this to me. I mean, not Gold. Oh, shit. I can't believe Nasdaq did this to me.
No, you had it right. Both of them ruthless.
I mean, dude, how do you, dude, it literally wicked through my limit. It literally wicked through it. Like, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Yeah, whatever.
Call. He call on the 24th.
Oh, you know, man, this, you know, I think this might be, a push on Gold right here. I think.
Man, this is
Maybe.
wild. Wild.
Well, I guess we're fighting against old picks, but
Yeah. See if they hold this low here.
Yeah, I'm a. Let's see what they do here.
At 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes in this 30-minute candle. 55 points.
Order filled.
All right, I got in with the long. I just have my candle underneath that low.
All the way to freaking, yeah, damn near. Well, yeah, went to 950, 960. Trying to fight your way back to 25K.
Oh yeah, I went long. I'm long in my X account. I went long. See this double bot? I see this little bottom right here, so I'm gonna try. Actually, all right, yeah, I went long. Okay, all right. Well, I'm long. I guess I could just put this on stream instead of. All right, we'll see. We'll see if Gold is gonna be nice to me here. You already know how I'm coming. Man, Gold is gonna be nasty. She's gonna be nasty. Just put my stop underneath that low. I mean, that's basically a double bottom. If that shit pushes through that, then I'm looking for a move back to there. We can get it. I mean, we've fallen enough. We can get a decent bounce. We can get a decent bounce. It just is going to probably be tough. As long as the Bulls can get past 360, 365, 360 above this high, we should be good for the longs. Yeah. You should be good. Hopefully the Bears is they've had their fill, hopefully.
They satisfied. I was about to say, hopefully they like, I know y'all was getting clapped all last week and everything and up into this week, but come on. Y'all ate and y'all ate quick.
Yeah,
like, dang.
Shit, all the late Bulls right now is feeling it, man. It's feeling it. That's why, like, if Gold extends too far, and the trade doesn't make sense. You got to move your limits because I know a lot of this is just a bunch of people's limit orders sitting at previous areas of support that got ran through. I'm gonna add three
All right,
more.
gold.
I'm gonna add three more, man. Three more, and that's it. Three more.
I think if she can make it past
Come on,
260,
baby. Come on.
260,
Let me get a good entry. There we go.
then we can
Order filled.
potentially push at least around here. So I'm thinking we can make it past 260. Strong. Strong above 260, then I think we're good for a little pullback, push, whatever. I don't want to add just yet though, because I don't want to add just yet, make it worse than it already is. But if you look at my margin usage, I'm only using 1% of margin. That's why it's crazy. $50 on MGC. That's the cheat code right there. We was talking about that last night. You want to grow your account fast with a small account? Yeah, MGC. Because NQ, just because of the margins, $50. $50. All right. F it. Put that one there.
All right, Gold. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Keep on pushing, baby. Do your thing. Keep on pushing.
296. Let's mark that on the board. Oh no.
All right.
We can make it back to the pivot swing.
Do your thing, Gold. Do your thing.
6.4. Doesn't look so bad after all. It's not so bad down here. It's not so bad down here.
No, Gold, keep on pushing. Keep on pushing to the upside.
Double bottom. Double bottom.
She's gonna try to come back to my break even. No, don't do that, Gold.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good, bro.
I want to believe you. But I know how Gold is, man.
You're good, bro. You're good.
I want to believe you. But yeah, this is a heavy resistance area. I know the bears are going to try. They're going to try here. They're definitely going to try. It's heavy resistance. We're just going to probably need to stop.
You're good, broski. You're good. If I'm good, you're good.
Both good.
Mistakes were made. Once I saw them puts come in, that was my first clue. That should have got the F out. I could have rode the wave to the downside. But I mean, they were printing them too. It's like the big money, the smart money always knows. That's why you got to follow the flow. Follow what they're doing, because that's crazy. I wonder what the Qs was doing if they were printing calls all day on the Qs.
Let me see. I mean, the calls are kind of coming in with gold. Gold should be good. Yeah, we should be good with gold. We should be good. This looks like they're pushing. The Qs. I mean, they're actually putting in puts on the Qs, actually.
Yeah, I can see that happening right now, because I think we're gonna get a little sell off right now on NQ, maybe a little pullback, but yeah. All right, Gold. You know you got to get your get back. You know you got to get at least half the move back up.
Mm.
You got to get your get back. It's time to start clapping some bare cheeks. It's time to start clapping some bare cheeks. Get above this
Come on, baby.
260.
Come on. Don't you do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you? Oh, you bitch. Why does she know?
What are you
Well,
talking about? What are you
no.
talking about?
Why did she
What are
do
you
this
trying
to
to
me,
do?
Smith? Why did she do this? Why?
Oh, your target. Your
Why?
target.
Why? I don't
You
deserve
about to get that.
this.
You about to get that target smacked. Don't worry. You about to get this target smacked. I use what Sherm's using, Rutkit, the black box stocks. Really,
Oh my
really
God. Go.
relax,
Go.
relax, Sherm. She knows you're stressed. Relax.
I'm not stressed. I'm like, don't do it. Don't go. I was so close. No. I was so close. Gold. What? No. Oh my God.
Hey, you letting her know. Don't let her know.
Oh, why are you so dirty like that?
That's
It's
funny.
pure dirtiness, yo. That was pure dirtiness.
That's funny. That's funny.
Wow. Wow. All right. All right. All
Nah,
right.
because if the equities start to sell off now, I think we got hope for the metals.
Well, this is how we know the devil exists. There is like, dude, that's so crazy. That's so crazy. Literally point like ticks away from my target, man. Ticks. 8 ticks to be exact. 8 ticks away. Hit that damn target, Gold. Shit. And stop playing with me. Hit that damn target. Gold's trying to give me hope. She pushes back up. give him hope and take it away.
Yeah, Francis. Unfortunately, it is a paid, I guess what you call it, software as a system service, whatever. But they do subscriptions, and then they got a yearly. The yearly. I mean, if you think about how useful the tool is, it's reasonably priced, I guess.
Yeah, and that's why they're
Because if
talking
you
about
use it
probably going up on the
properly,
price because it is a decent tool if you use it.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm. Well,
Yep, yep, yep.
I'm not gonna sit here and be surprised by this, but it's okay. Whatever, man.
The 24th. What's today? 17th. Okay.
Man, that's just wow. All right.
Do 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 do. Do, 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 do.
All right, whatever, man.
Nasty. don't have to do that gold. You don't. 394 call sweep. Firing on the 31st though. Not taking no kind of risk. Like, what are you doing? Having it expire on the 31st. You can have it expire Monday.
Like, that is fucking crazy,
equity's
man.
selling
All
off.
right, man. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. That's crazy. All right. Well, I mean, at this point, it's really closest to my entry. I mean, now we kind of have to get past 54, 55, because that just turned into potential resistance for downtrending, lower lows, lower highs. Fuck. Whatever, man. So now my position has to work harder to get my target hit. And I always hate that.
Get up to that pivot. Let's see. To pivot. They use that as resistance is the question. No. No, it takes the bulls to gather up the strength and rally the troops. Rally the troops.
No, do it the first time. We don't need you to pull back. Hit that target the first time, damn it.
Francis, yes, sir. $50.
Wow. Okay. All right. All right. All right, gold.
Order
All right,
filled.
devil. No way.
Bro, you're good.
Dude,
You
dude.
showing?
Dude, no way, because
Giving her signs. What?
Order
she
filled.
took $6 away from me. Damn it.
What? You really complaining about $6?
Oh yeah, to
Filled.
pass the account. All right, now the account's passed. Yeah. Because I had my target set for $3,018 to take the commissions, and I was $6 short.
Over here down 3K. He's talking about $6.
Hey. Hey, don't be comparing. Yeah, yo, don't be comparing.
I'm just saying it's funny.
He said, I'm down 3K. You complaining about $6.
You get that back in one little trade. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, it is. All right, let me lock this shit out, man, because this shit is past. Make a mistake and do something foolish.
Yeah, you need to go back to NQ. That's what you need to do.
Fuck that bitch. After what she did to me today, fuck her.
All right, we're gonna extend this fib down to the actual low, and I'll leave this one at the previous low. Let's see. Let's let it rock out.
All right, so the NQ is now about to come back, fill my order, and stop me out. Watch. She was like, "Oh, you wanted me to come back to fill the order? Sure, why not? Why not? I'll fill you, sure. You can count on me. All right.
This is why micros is goated. It's goated. I was blind, but now I see. I was blinded in the past. This is why micros is goated. Like, I would have been done. Account blown if I tried to hold through all of that in the minis.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're definitely right. That's why I try to keep it light unless I have like a 50K account. I try to keep it light. Because I guess the game is building your account until you're able to trade minis safely and have the same,
Exactly.
risk management.
Exactly.
Anybody got no time for that? You ain't got time for that.
I guess.
Oh my
Micros are goated.
God.
And this is the cheat code because of the margin requirement. $50. Look, I'm at 2%. 2% of my day margin. I'm only using $300 of margin.
You're
Yeah.
absolutely right, Game
Goated.
Weight. I should watch my terminology.
I just saw what he said. Yeah. I mean, I heard you say it, but I was just like, you know what? I'm trying to lock in right now. I'm gonna let that slide.
No, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We we're not doing that.
I'm gonna let that slide. I'm trying to lock in.
It is locking season.
Thou
Gamers
shalt
thou shall
not
not
pass.
pass. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, yo. I'll let it slide. Let it slide over here.
Yeah, unfortunately, K Trader, the profit was on the with these X platforms, the profit is on the screen right here. I can't adjust my border because of it just messes everything up. So yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to show it. Fortunately. I wish they had something like here on this. I mean, you can see it on the screen. It's just that it would have been nice if they actually did have it on the side. Or I guess if I have the DOM, it shows me what order I'm in. It shows the order and everything.
Look at a silver chart. See what they're doing over there. Gosh, man. Yeah. Excuse me. I was telling them last night, I'm like, I am not, my account's got to be like 6 figures before I even think about touching silver, because that could get dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Silver gets dangerous. And I'm talking micro silver. I'm not even talking E-mini silver. The only thing I don't like about this,
So is
it's gotta
silver
break up.
Satan itself? Is that what silver
I think
is?
so. I think so, man.
Like, give me my
Silver is
path to that.
different. Silver is built different. Okay, guys. Bulls, here's what we gotta do. Okay, y'all did break that, but I'm gonna put this here.
I know gold is gonna run through. Well, I mean, if it's not official now, I have gold on my mind. Me and Nasdaq officially broke up. We no longer a couple because I keep calling her gold. I keep calling her gold. So we broke up. We're no longer together. This is Gold Anonymous. I think Gold Anonymous is probably a better a better group because
Oh
Nasdaq is for gamblers. Gold is crazy because he trades like the ES. So you're thinking, okay, break a structure here. I'll set my limit here and we should be good. When you find yourself on the wrong side of gold, it just fucks with you. Like it really, like, dude, it's so different trading gold than Nasdaq. I'm gambling in Nasdaq, but when gold is, she's pushing my ego button. She was like, "You thought that was a breaker structure? You thought, you thought." Oh, you want to chase the breakout? Let me just come back to your original entry and stop you out. It's different. Gold makes you feel differently. At least you expect it with the Nasdaq. Gold will have you on cloud 9, or she'll have you in complete hell. She'll grab your hand and take you for a ride. And you have no choice but to sit there and accept it. Because I was going to say take, but, gain weight. That would trigger him. And it's like, oh, pause.
Take that.
Gold Diddy. Nas Diddy and Gold Diddy. Gold Diddy. Or Diddy Gold. Which one sounds better?
Diddy Gold.
Diddy Gold or Gold Diddy?
Oh.
Take that. Yeah, you kind of have to stop out with gold because, if you don't stop out, she was like, oh, damn, he ain't stop out? Okay. I bet. Okay.
I can keep going. I can keep dropping. Yeah, we know. We know. But I'm glad so far this demand held up down here on Trading View. But not out of the heat just yet. Let me see. They still loading puts. Damn. Don't want to see that.
Yeah. The puts expired at the end of the month though. So if you want to kind of just look for the ones that expired today, it will kind of filter out all the unnecessary noise because yes, they got some puts expiring today, but it could be, that's a block order right there. So it could be downside protection. You do see that there's a dark day bouncing off of a dark pool. So you at least got into 394. 395 at the most will go. If we pass 395, and then I guess we can go higher from there. But 395 is it's a big level, so they're going to definitely reject it from there.
Yeah, I can see that. And then now the equities, they're loading back in the ES and NQ. Okay, 377 call, 379 call today. Oh yeah, they just, man. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing with that? These out of money calls. Or deep in the money calls, I should say. But yeah, the big clue for that drop was all those puts coming in. I should have seen that and been like, nope, all right, cancel, reverse. we going with them. Lesson learned. Okay. Because they was just flooding in too. I was like, I see the data. But no, y'all are just playing. Y'all playing around. Y'all lying to me right now.
Yeah.
No, the F they weren't.
Where'd you get that mentality from? Where'd you get that mentality from, Smith?
What, not believing the data?
Yeah.
That's presented in front of me? Well, trading overall. My overall experience. That's where I got that from.
It's crazy. An ES trader wouldn't say that. An ES trader wouldn't say anything like, oh man, a double top and a double bottom doesn't work. They wouldn't say that. There's only one instrument that will condition a trader to say, oh shit, a double top work? Oh shit, a double bottom word? Only one. We know who that is.
Term. I don't know why you got to be such a hater of NQ.
Oh, that's crazy. I didn't say a
I don't.
name. That's
I don't
so
under.
crazy. I didn't
I
say
don't.
nobody.
I
I
don't
didn't say a
under.
name.
Yeah, you didn't say anything, but you're inferring. You're
You said I'm
inferring
implying
right now.
something? No, I'm just saying that there's a particular instrument out there that gets people to think that double tops and double bottoms don't work.
Oh my goodness, it's too funny.
You know, the truth is usually the funniest parts of the world when you're being told the truth.
Or you're just a clown. Look, just
Hey,
accept the fact we could make money in all these instruments, bro. Whatever the setup is.
mm-hmm. You know, Nasdaq will. It's like, oh, there's a lot of people thinking that that's the setup. Huh? Let me just run them stops real quick, stop them out, and then bounce at their entry. We don't like, dude. You know that every time you enter into a Nasdaq position, you got to do a small prayer. You got to take a deep breath and prepare yourself for what could come next. Take that. Nas Diddy. Oh, so you want to get in at that break of structure, huh? I'm not going to say that word. Take that. Nas Diddy will have you looking like Meek side or Meek poolside at the pool. In that pool, waiting in the water.
He was cooling off.
Take that. Mm.
Okay. That top out at 280. 79, 280.
Hopefully, Smith. I mean, for your position's sake, hopefully. I mean, the gold is definitely going to go up. We could get one more pullback though. Just prepare yourself for that. But because it's tapping into that order block at 390, so it's tapping in that order block. So we could get one more pullback, but it's more than likely going to go higher. We got a breaker structure at 289, 290, so we could see that.
Yeah, and it's fighting this trend line down. So if we can break above it, yeah, we're solid. But I do see that, yep, definitely could see a pullback.
Is your break even at 380 or 308?
It's 289 now. It is now 289. Yeah.
Because I was going to ask you, well, did you get in at 308? That was your previous break even, or what was that?
You talking about the 308 in purple on the chart?
Yeah, what's that?
That's the midpoint between the high and the low.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah, that's the middle of the set.
Yeah, that was that entry that I had earlier that got super clapped.
Yeah, that's the 50%. 50% fib in the middle of the high and low.
Okay.
So we make it back to the middle. That'd be cool.
All right, cool. So 308 actually might be where the mark, because 308 was, I was looking at Bookmap and I got in at 308 and then it just super ran 308. So if it's super ran 308 and if there's people still at 308, they're going to take break even. Well, actually, yeah. I mean, well, I guess, it pushed back up to 306. I mean, if you didn't get out at 306, then yeah, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm looking for the market to go back up to 308 at least.
Dude, that'd be nice.
It would be nice, wouldn't it?
I'd accept that. I accept that. Gamma levels at 393, 395. Equity selling off. Equity selling off. Can we get some metal pump then? Dang.
Nasdaq thought she had me. No, Nasdaq, I know your ways. I know your ways. After that wick and pump, so I'm gonna get in around 27. If I get stopped out, then I'm gonna try for 97.
All right, hold on. I'll be back.
All right, we'll see, man. We'll see. Let's see if the Nasdaq is gonna be nasty to me here. Let me look at the charts one more time. Let me look at the structure one last time. So I'm looking at 27 because if you look to the left, you can see all that consolidation here. Well, actually, is really at 25, or like right here, or where the hell was that? Yeah, it's really at 25. I'll just put 25.75. It's really at 25. So we got the market rejecting, breaking out, finding support, sweeping, breaking out, sweep, break, and I'm waiting on that retest right there. It's basically a retest trade. And that's what I'm looking for right here with the Nasdaq. And if this trade doesn't work, and then I'm looking for this trade right here, 695. We already got the sweep of liquidity. I mean, if the Nasdaq takes out this low, we could see a wick and then a move back up. But if she takes this low out, then the retest short would be the trade. One of the things that I have to do moving forward is stop getting caught up in the siren song of a breakout. I know better. I know better than to chase a breakout. But man, when you see one in real time and you just see all that momentum, it's hard not to chase the market when it's trying to run away. It just really shows that even though we're enlightened human beings, we still have those animal impulses of when something runs away, we chase it down and we kill it. That's why they always say never run from a predator. You always stand up to it because it'll second guess it, because it triggers self-preservation. It's like, oh shit, this person's not afraid of me. It makes them start thinking about their own existence. Hmm. Of course, Nasdaq. Of course. Hmm. Yeah, I guess you kind of have to be numb to it, really. You kind of have to be numb to it. Hmm. I mean, it's like, well, I gotta really think about this. I gotta really think about it. Hmm. And let fear dictate your actions. Maybe. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe on both sides, like 61. Nice. 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 And I guess it's just easier that way. Definitely easier to do it that way. Hmm. You about to go? Mm. Yeah, I see that your that stuff is coming on. What you have before? All right, Nasdaq. Mm. Mhm. Yeah, it should have been like that in the first place. Mm.
Crap, I was muting. That freaking trend line got to break out above that. That's crazy.
I said what I said.
Yeah, that's wild.
And this is why when you start to heal, because we all know that if that was a Nasdaq, that trend line would have meant shit.
Whatever, dude. Yo, your NQ slander is getting out of line. I'm gonna have to report you. Your NQ slander is getting out of line. Do, 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 do. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a day. Alfred.
I mean, that's why I left NQ. I don't gotta tolerate that. Mm. Well, I mean, if you look at it, you know, if you look. Yep, that's exactly right. No pain, there is no gain. You know, that is definitely true, man. That's crazy. It's crazy that one of the rules of life is that if you don't feel no pain, there will be no gain. I think the one animal that represents this the most is, believe it or not, a butterfly. They say that if you help a butterfly break out of its cocoon, it will never fly. Like, how symbolic is that? It won't be strong enough to fly, and it will die. But if you allow it to go through the pain of breaking out of its cocoon, persevering and enduring, after it's done, it will be able to soar to new heights. That is just so symbolic. So true for so many things. So you got to feel the pain if you want the gain. I mean, another example of that is parents that baby their kids in terms of not letting them ever feel or never go through adversity. You already see what kind of adults they turn into when you see that. But it's funny how the ones that go through so much adversity as kids and overcome it, those are the ones that are changing the future, making things easy for other people. I guess more manageable. It's probably a better word. Yeah, that's definitely true, Alfred. I mean, how else is your ego gets hit a couple of times? It's crazy that your ego will get into the way until it gets humbled, and then it allows you to learn, and then it accepts a new reality, and then it fights to defend that reality until it gets humbled again. It, if you call yourself a trader and you tell me that you haven't been humbled by the market, I'm just not. I'm just going to listen, but I'm not going to believe you. I'm not going to believe you.
Yeah, I wouldn't believe you either. I probably wouldn't even listen to you. I don't gotta hear nothing you gotta say. Like, cause what? Yeah, okay. Probably that 99% winning trade from that video I sent you. It's like, yeah, 99% win. You just got to keep buying or keep selling. Keep
Nah,
selling.
no. That came out the words of a furu. We got to listen to those guys. We got to. You see their composure and how confident they are, and how confident they're saying the stupid stuff they're saying. It has to be true. So when you're doing it wrong, it's just the 1%. It's just you're doing it at the 1% time when you're wrong.
Yeah, the 1% that didn't work. Okay.
But 99% of the time, it works. You're just doing it wrong. Whenever you do it, it's the 1%. When the furus do it, they time the market. It's big gains, small drawdown. Like, dude, I like it when guys be talking about they had a tick and drawdown and a big gain. Like, dude, shut the fuck up and get out of here, dude. Nobody want to look at that stupid shit. You did not have a tick of drawdown. Shut up. You didn't do that. You didn't do that.
That's too funny.
You probably had like a 20K stop, saw it was going in your direction, moved it up like yeah, I sniped this, and then sent the screenshot. That's why we need to have screenshot analysts. You didn't do that, bro.
Screenshot analyst.
The screenshot analyst. All right, Smith. You should be good as long as they don't take out that low, man. As long as they don't take out that low at 244. This is just a pullback because like if you look on they're just dipping into this this order block right here. So as long as they don't break it, you're good.
Yeah.
So this man over here complaining about $6. I'm down.
Nah, that was funny. You're like, I just want $6. I'm like, what? $6.
It wasn't about the $6. It was the principle. Give me my $6 back, damn it. I probably might. Well, we'll see, man. I need to cancel all those other accounts. Since TraderFi is talking about they ain't gonna rebuild at the discounted price. Bastards. Yeah, I blew 3 of these accounts though. I blew 3 of these 50Ks trying to gamble gold. I guess I'm not good at gambling gold. I guess I'm just not good at it. Or I just haven't discovered a safe way to do it yet. I can wait for a pullback on gold, and those are usually easier trades. But when the market is trending and then we're not getting the pullbacks, I don't like sitting on the sidelines seeing the market just shoot up. I don't like it.
Yeah, that's tough. Like, what was it? Was it Wednesday or yesterday?
It all started on Sunday. It was the Sunday Open that did this. That started.
No,
all this crap.
I'm talking about like I wasn't able to get in the market during the day because I actually had stuff to do.
Mhm.
And I was like, dang, that's tough. It's just going straight up. Like that's tough to watch.
It is, man. That's usually
No
where I find myself in
pullbacks.
trouble.
Yeah.
I usually find myself in trouble with gold when she does that. Like, damn, gold.
Yeah.
and then add insult to injury, it pulls right back to the original entry and then goes. It's like gold is humbling me to the point to where it's like if you move away from the strategy, you're just going to have to feel the pain. How many times do we have to teach you this lesson? Mm.
So this is interesting. Looks like say that. That's interesting though.
What is what I just said?
No, that's something I was just looking at these charts.
Yeah, because I was about to say, I didn't say anything too profound.
No, it's the charts I was looking at. Ugh.
I think I'm gonna keep a Bitcoin chart up too. Why not? I mean, shit, if you're gonna trade gold, we might as well trade Bitcoin too. Shit, why not? We can have Apex trade Bitcoin. We can trade Bitcoin with Apex with the Apex accounts and just have it purely Bitcoin. So we can trade Nasdaq, Bitcoin, and almighty baddest bitch gold. What am I doing? All right, let's do that. Let's just do that. Let's do that. Because I mean, we've made so much money in Bitcoin. I just got bored with it, but you know, why not? Like, why not? Why not? Bitcoin, Nasdaq, and gold. Why not? All right. All right. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold.
Oh, I'm tired, man.
Did you go to sleep last night?
Yeah, I tried to.
Yeah.
But I still end up waking up early.
Yeah. Yeah. You were still in the position?
No, I wasn't.
Oh. All that adrenaline was like, okay, we got enough. Now we need to get back to this grind. Yeah. 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 I definitely was tired. I will say that because I slept so deep. I was physical in my own dream last night. I thought my dream was real. That's how deep of a sleep I was getting last night. Mm. Oh yeah, baby. Do your thing.
Mm.
Yeah, I Mr. Smith this morning and told him that and this I told him that I was just running off of tilt adrenaline this entire week because of just how deep I fell into a sleep last night. I slept until like 7:30 and I usually wake up at 5:30. 40. All right. I'm pretty sure I can get that. All right, so let me look at Bitcoin. Let me look at Bitcoin. Just imagine holding Bitcoin. Man, this is such a bear's market, man. This is a bear's market. This is such a bear's market.
Should be right at home there then.
Yeah, I am.
Oh,
I kind of
you
got
not a
bored with shorting the market, so I was like, I'm done shorting the market. I'm done.
That's wild to say. You got to get your short fixes in.
I mean, that was such a long time ago, though.
No orders up above here. This might actually. There's no orders up above. only below.
I might actually have to go long on Bitcoin. Well, no, I'm gonna keep my order because we could see a pullback, but there's these equal highs that I'm looking at, and yeah, I might be on the wrong side of Bitcoin. This actually might be a long. This actually might be a long, but I'm gonna trust in the bears here. All right. Oh, I'm in the right trade. So you in for you looking for the short too?
You talking about Bitcoin?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not looking at MBT.
So Solar Trade says that there could be no bear market if you bring in trillions and trillions and trillions of money into the market, into the economy. You say you only trade Bitcoin on the why only Asia? Well, I guess the Chinese. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to say that. The Asian market. I guess crypto and gold is what they like to trade because it seems like that's usually when we see the market, or at least the metals, move the most is during Asia, and you might get a little piece of it during the New York session, but yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true.
Yeah, after today, man. When I'm done with this, I'm going back to sleep. My goodness.
Yeah. Oh no, did gold feel me? Did gold just feel me and stop me up? Where was I? Hold on. Gold stop me
Gangway,
up.
where you at? Oh shoot. I don't think these lo-fi beats are helping either.
What are you talking about?
I got the lo-fi chill whatever beats playing in the background in my ear for the stream, just for some music, but this is putting me to sleep.
Yeah, it's supposed to relax you.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, wait, what you trading? You doing options or you just buying and selling?
That was dirty. That was nasty.
Alfred said I'm gonna be in a coma. Yeah, probably. I could probably sleep all day.
Yep. When the market's awake, I'm awake. Ain't no sleeping. There ain't no going to sleep. Wow, gold, you did the same thing to me too. She missed me by a tick. Missed me by a tick. You said gold might actually go to 7K. Shit. At this point, 10K gold might be up there with the Nasdaq pretty soon. 30K a bar. That would be freaking crazy.
30K for an ounce would be crazy.
Hmm.
Honey, get out
All right. I think we should be good right here, Smith. I think this should be the follow through bounce. Unless they try to dip for liquidity again, but I mean it's pretty obvious that low right there. I mean, it swiped the liquidity underneath this low. We got a bounce. It pull back. And I mean the bulls are trying. I guess that's what we can say for right now. They are definitely trying. The question is, will they be successful? Because it looks like the big bulls aren't buying no more. I mean, shit, they brought the market all the way to freaking 40. What the high was what on gold? Almost 44. Actually, yeah, a front ran 44 as per usual of every instrument. The high of gold right
Yeah.
now is 392. And you know everybody was, I think that's probably why we got that big move down. Everybody was targeting 4400 or at least close to it. But I mean, that double top, I mean, if I was up after that double top, yeah, 82, 382. I would have got stopped out of that one though.
Yeah, FX, those are fibs. Yeah, you can hear me. Yeah, those are fibs. Yeah, gold is amazing because I wish I would have read the data. Well, I wish I would have acted on the data with all those big money puts coming in and the option side. Could have took this thing short.
Yeah, they were hitting it at 9:30ish. Hold on, which puts were you looking at, the ones that expired today, or were you looking at the ones that were coming in later on?
Nah, yeah, around that time, like 9:30, 9:40s.
See, I knew that was a freaking long for Bitcoin. I knew that was a long. I should have took the long. Yeah, it was the long on Bitcoin. Mm.
This one is the okay. The one on the right. Uh, this one is the the plus Fibonacci retracement tool. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see the name. It's this one right here. If you search, yeah, I think you got to search the indicators for it, and it's the plus Fibonacci retracement.
All right, Smith. I guess you should be good. Well, we could see some resistance at 72. We could see some resistance, but if you can get a breakout, we can see at least 85, 285. But I know your break even is at shit 289. It's gonna probably pull back at 85. It'll probably bounce at around 270, 270. Probably see a bounce at 270 because it's gonna run these stops. If we can get above that high, it's gonna run those stops, and we'll probably see 302. So you can probably, depending on how long you hold this, you can probably get out for some profits if you don't take it exactly at your break even Honestly, I would take it at your break even. Don't play around with gold. She said, oh, did I get? Hold on. Oh, shit. It filled my order? Shit. Damn it. Damn. I did not mean to take those profits.
Welcome to the house of taking profits, Sherm. I'm glad to see you finally converted and joined.
Well, I mean, I moved my stop. It would have hit my target. That's what the stop comes up for. Once I'm like 2 or 1 point away from my target, it trails it until it hits my target or comes back and hit my stop. I just moved my target
That's
up.
smart. That's smart. I love that.
Yeah,
I love that for you.
Yeah. I love that for me too. It's a compromise. I can compromise. I'm still adhering to my rule. Either it hits my target or it hits my stop. I'm still adhering to it. It's just that in this situation, I'm not giving back all my.
Yeah. Yeah, I was up like 6K yesterday or last night.
Right?
I gave back a little. Yeah, I gave back a little bit, but I trailed it and I let it hit the stop, and I wasn't even mad about it. I was like, "How could you be mad at?" So I took out, or I ended up making like 5,500. I'm like, "How could I be mad at that?"
You can be mad at it.
No. I'm like, I can't be mad at that.
Yeah, we should see a pullback to there. I mean, 70, 75 is gonna be tough, bro. Just prepare yourself for it. It's gonna be tough. A lot of resistance. Either the bears are gonna hold it or they're gonna fold. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. So just prepare for that mentally, emotionally.
I've been in this all morning, all day. I might as
You're
well say
new to
I've been in this
this.
for
You're
like.
true to this. My bad. My bad. My bad. I wasn't familiar with your game. My bad.
I just had to I had to throw that out there. Like, I've been in this. I was down like 3K. Like, I mean, I'm still down, but it's a lot better. It's a softer blow. But it's all good.
Balls of steel.
That is hilarious. Oh man.
Wow, look at that. Look at that trend line. Look at that trend line reversal. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that trend line right there. So I just lined up the trend or a trend line going down. And if you saw it, if you was up around, oh shit, I was up around this. I went to sleep. I had shit in there, man. Around like 9:20 last night. If you had a nice trend line trade, the first breakout you ignore and you buy the test of the second. And really gold. I mean, this is why I like trading gold, because she leaves clues. She leaves the clues. I mean, it's right there. And this is exactly what I look for in gold is the consolidation, the break, and I want to always trade that pullback because I know that it's going to it's going to at least retest that high at least. But 9 times out of 10 it's going to take it out. So this is why I'm always looking for this trade right here. So you got the rejection from the trend line. It came back into the consolidation area, breaks out. Not only did we break structure, it broke this high, broke the trend line, They bounced off the trend line, came back to the area, and then it took off. And that was a beautiful trade on gold. Beautiful trade on gold. And then it comes right back to, look at that. And lo and behold, look at where gold bounces at. Literally at a break. Man, you can't look at a Nasdaq chart and see these these pullbacks into previous breaks of structure, and they just work beautifully. And look at that. Look at that, guys. How can you pass something like this up? Look at how beautiful this thing just comes back into this area and pushes back up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why my ego sometimes can't take losing a trade in gold, because it's like, she's not even lying to you. She says what she says. She means it. You don't have to second guess it. All you have to do is trade. Literally. And usually when I'm losing in gold is when I'm trying to go against what she wants to do. Isn't that interesting? They broke that trend line. Says gold made a power move. Yeah. She said what she says. And so now that's what I'm going to just keep telling myself. When I see a setup on gold, and I was like, nah, she's tricking me. Nah, she said what she said. She means that shit. Oh, isn't that a coincidence? Look at this trend line right here. Look at this trend line. And this trend line goes all the way back to the start of the session. It goes all the way back right here. Look at this trend line. You drew this trend line right here. You got this trade right here. Look how the market breaks out. They tried to hold the trend line. They break it back out. They reject from this trend line coming down. They use the trend line as resistance, support, resistance. Look how the market breaks out. The first breakout of the trend line. And oh my God, lo and behold, man, perfect trend line entry. Perfect trend line entry right there. I know Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is giving me another opportunity to potentially buy this. Because, well, I guess what we could do, because Bitcoin is making higher lows right now. So we could see the market. Oh, I got the wrong one. We could see the market potentially. Oh, shit. It's 1040. Oh, shit.
Yeah, what you doing, Sherm?
Yeah.
No, you ain't supposed to be in the market. Oh, the meeting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I gotta go, guys. Shit, I didn't even pay attention to what time it was. Okay. But all right, guys. At least that's it for me. I'll paste Smith's stream in the chat if you're not already over there. But that's going to be it for me this week. I'm gonna start the stream back up overnight next week. Everything is out of the way, so I should be able to stream every day during next week, or Monday through Thursday. And we'll just come back and we'll look for more opportunities to make some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend.